Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Blessed Set of Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance. And 5, 6, 7, 8, Get on the Floor. The song is Get on the Floor. The artist is Michael Jackson, and the choreography is GERALD and SHUANTA Porter. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it. 7, 8, dance on the floor. Let me make sure that's the name. There you go. Get on the floor. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Get on the floor. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I